welcome back to Home Ec with Heidi. Today we are making pumpkin seeds. So the first step is to take out all the pumpkin seeds, then put them onto in a bowl in the sink. Separate the guts from the seeds, then we rinse them out and then put them on a towel to dry. So then we take all of the seeds and put them into the bowl. And then when you're done with that, you take a tablespoon or two of olive oil. And then you mix it together with the spatula. So then it's like all shiny. Just like how it's all shiny. So now that you mixed it all together, you're gonna put all of them onto your baking sheet. And then you are going to spread them around. And then when you're done with spreading them around, just like this, when you're done spreading them out, you can put seasoning on it, whichever you want.
Why are we using that one?
Because my grandma Emma uses it. And then we're using this one as well.
Because Dave Janice uses that.
And then, so then when you're done with putting the seasoning on, you kind of like spread it so all the seasoning can go everywhere. And then when you're done spreading it around, you shake it so it's all to like one level. So if you see any spots that are like bare, you can add more seasoning to it. And then when you're done adding your seasoning to it, you can kind of bat it down. Now that everything's seasoned and level, we're gonna put it in the oven for 10 minutes at 300 degrees. I think they need a little more minutes. They don't look quite dry. About 20 minutes in the oven, and as soon as they're dry and they can slide around like this, they should be done. Thank you for watching Home Ec with Heidi. Smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. See you guys later. Bye!